All right, quick Patreon behind the scenes update. This is the studio.
This is where we record.
This is where we record.
Magic happens.
So that is the command. Sorry, that is the command seat.
The captain's chair.
The captain's chair. This is where we've been recording from for a while. That is my beautiful mic setup. That is a Guitar Hero microphone.
That's right.
That is a Guitar Hero microphone. Just for a quick proof, you can start with anything.
And go and continue with anything.
Yeah, we've been here for quite a while. We're going to be moving, at least this Reno recording station. So Abraham and I will give you an update when that's all set up. It'll be a couple months.
Yeah.
But we just were like, hey, this is what it looks like. It's very small. You can start anywhere.
Sort of a hello goodbye to the studio.
Yeah, everybody, and so everyone else that's on the team records remotely from probably, I'm guessing, their houses.
I think
from
so.
Quiet places.
For the
Yeah.
most part.
So it's cool. The internet can bring a bunch of people together. You can start anything, do anything you want. It just takes a microphone and some passion and a ton of hours.
So many hours.
Yeah. All right. That's all. We'll see y'all in the next update, whenever that is. Sorry, there's no schedule. Peace.